triple staff elevators here at Beaumont Hospital in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Going up?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? Which one are you going to?
3, please.
2?
3. Thank you, sir.
Yep, no problem. There you go.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you as well. Thank you. Go to, well, it's locked. Some new KONE Eco discs. Very nice. Let's go down to the ground and we're gonna change elevators. Whatever that was did not sound good. It's got code blue service. They got Medco key switches. I'll take this one for a spin. Serial number. £5,200 capacity. That's kind of interesting. 5,200 pounds. Not 5,000. 5,200. That's really interesting, actually. We're stopping at 2. Go down?
Yes.
Which one are you going to? 1 or 2?
Ground. Yep. Thank you.
No problem.
And well, not they didn't rebrand to Bear. It's
There's like an intermediary there.
yeah. It went from FG Farben to something else, and that's what and like Bear is owned by that parent company. They also made. I think they also made Asian owners for the Vietnam War. So like
crazy.
my grandfather was that, so he said, I mean,
All right.
even
And that will be it.